Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Zander, this is Mad Fades Vintage. As you probably have seen, I'm showcasing a few pieces of software that we use within our business on a day-to-day basis. This time I'm using ListingEngine AI, which is in my opinion currently the best AI tool for resellers out there. We love it and we use it every single day. I'm going to go to my dashboard and we're going to list an item together quickly just to show you how good it is. And I've chosen on purpose an unusual item. This is something that Jamie photographed yesterday, and it is it's an unusual brand, so it's a little bit difficult for it to pick up. So let's see how good it is. By the way, my videos are unedited. This is basically a raw footage video to show you the real type of the way we list. I'm not going to edit a single thing. Okay, so let's grab these photographs. I'm pretty sure he cropped these. There we go. You don't have to crop your images, as you know, but he's cropped them. Now in this case, I tend to put the skew of the date, so 14.05, and I think we've listed 5 so far, so we'll go to 6.006. And we're going to list it straight to eBay, and we've got one of these. Now at this stage, there's no need to, you can if you want, you can manipulate the photographs. We'll put the tag there, the collar, the inside is always nice. There we go. Item specifics. Let's have a look. Now this is quite an expensive brand. It's a very nice jacket. It's called Cambrian. It's a Welsh tweed jacket, size 16, pure new wool. It's vintage from the 60s. I think I paid something like £7 at a charity shop. We're going to try £49.99. That should keep me cheaper than everyone on the market. Hermes, that's all good. 30 days return. I've got bottoms and tops in my description, and it just makes life easier. We delete the word tops as well. So it says nice pre-loved condition, carefully used, well looked after, lots of life left in this piece. The only thing I tend to do here is get it off the hanger quickly, and the only measurements that I use are the pit to pit, which is 22 inches in this case, and then the full length, which is 49 inches. Actually, you know what? Because it's a vintage jacket, what we'll do, it's a raglan shoulder. We'll have to do an underarm length, which is 17. So we write underarm. Raglan means that there's no seam there. So we just put 17 inch. We delete the word, the shoulders measurement. We can delete the pockets as well, there's no need this time. And that's it there. We're going to click save and create draft. There's nothing more for us to add. Now, the magic of these kind of like AI tools is it picks up as much information from the photographs as possible. So if you've taken good photographs of the care tag, it will pick up all that info. Now the text on this care tag or brand tag, it's very difficult to read. It's quite small. It'll be interesting to see if it finds the brand and the word Wales. I doubt it will. So let's see what it comes up with. Like I say, it's unedited. If you're using the bulk tool, we typically do 10 at a time and walk away. We go to the dashboard. It looks like it's completed that item now. And there it is, Cambrian long coat. Good. So the title it's come up with is Cambrian long coat women's UK 16 brown wool herringbone button classic wool mark. Very, very good. I don't think we need the word wool mark, but we'll write Wales. Typically I put a space between UK and 16, that helps. And I put the title down as the description, no more. I will write underneath that vintage 60s or 1960s. Pre-owned, good condition, there's the sizes, 49 inch, 17 inch. Really happy. And there's nothing else to do really. You could click on the eBay little tab there. This takes you to the specifics that would be shown on eBay. Now this is excellent condition, not good condition. So we'll change it to excellent. Size 16 is perfect. Cambrian is the brand. Just going to double check the the spelling of that, just in case. CAMBR, yeah, perfect. Long features, I will change it from, so it's no seasons, button. Yeah, really happy with that. Let's go to publish and next. And now this should be live on eBay. Only takes a moment. And as you can see, it's taken out the grunt work. I don't have to really add all of that info. That's what AI is for. It's to take off the weight. So you can quite easily go from listing 10 per day to maybe 20, 30, 40, and you've not got to double check all these little minute details yourself. That's what AI is for. Especially the bulk editing tool on this software is 10 out of 10. Now, like I say, code Zander in capital letters on this link will give you 30% off and 50 credits. Now that's 30% off your first purchase, whether it be £10 or £100 worth of credits, and the credits are per listing 20 pence, including VAT. It's the best value, and by far at the moment, I believe it's the best AI listing tool. And I would not back it unless we were using it ourselves. So nice one. Thanks for watching.